Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a popular health supplement due to its numerous health benefits. Originating from fermented apples, it is rich in acetic acid, vitamins, and minerals, making it a versatile addition to your wellness routine. It can improve digestive health, aid weight loss, or alleviate sore throats. In this video, we will explore 10 of the health benefits of ACV and discuss safe ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. 1. Blood sugar regulation. Perhaps the most publicized use of apple cider vinegar is the ability of the product to regulate blood sugar. ACV also contains acetic acid, which affects the enzymes that break down carbohydrates in the system and slows down the rate at which they are absorbed into the bloodstream. I find that in this process, it becomes easier to maintain balance in the amounts of glucose in the blood after meals. Besides, it also improves insulin sensitivity of muscles and liver, where it enables acetic acid to uptake sugar in the blood. Enhanced usage of insulin implies that the cells in the body take up glucose better and hence decrease the post-meal rise in blood sugar level. A clinical trial conducted in 2019 proposed that apple cider vinegar could impact the glycemic index and oxidative stress among diabetic people. 2. Weight loss support. Apple cider vinegar can help in weight loss by encouraging the sensation of satiety when taken before or during a meal. Acetic acid may delay the gastric emptying time, hence reducing the appetite and the overall food consumption. Additionally, it was revealed that taking acetic acid contributes to a slight increase in metabolism, which in return enhances the burning of calories in the body. Such a change in metabolic activity might result in the utilization of fats for energy, thus leading to slow weight loss. Research also indicates that taking apple cider vinegar eliminates hunger pangs for the next day or before the next meal. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on everything related to health and food. 3. Heart health. The acid present in apple cider vinegar, such as acetic acid, may also be useful in reducing hypertension, which is a factor in heart diseases. It encourages the release of nitric oxide, a molecule that causes blood vessels to widen, increases blood flow, and decreases pressure. Also, ACV is rich in chlorogenic acid, which works to hinder the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Based on decreasing LDL oxidation, apple cider vinegar may help slow down the development of atherosclerosis, a disease connected to plaque buildup in blood vessels. A 2021 review also reported that ACV could improve total cholesterol status. 4. Digestive health. Drinking apple cider vinegar before meals may help increase the production of stomach acid to facilitate digestion, especially for people with low stomach acid. First, ACV is made through fermentation, during which there are favorable probiotics that are good for the gut bacteria balance. The composition of the colon's flora plays an important role in proper digestion, the absorption of nutrients, and the strengthening of the body's defense mechanisms. Apple cider vinegar also has pectin, which is a soluble fiber that enhances the growth of good bacteria in the bowels and helps in the movement of bowels. 5. Skin health. Apple cider vinegar also contains acetic acid, which when applied to the skin has disinfectant properties to minimize bacteria and pathogens that cause acne and skin infections. Due to the effective production of extra acid, it helps to level the skin's pH, allowing it to create an ultimate barrier. To apply apple cider vinegar on the skin, you need to dilute it with water, 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water, and apply it on your skin with a cotton ball. This can assist in the treatment of acne, reduction of skin itching, or even use in the treatment of stretch marks. 6. Hair health. The base of apple cider vinegar is quite acidic, and its use on the hair could balance the scalp's pH level, hence healthier, smoother hair. Combine the virtues of coconut milk with the power of turmeric and tomato to find that ACV helps in clarifying the hair and scalp and doesn't cause product buildup on the hair and scalp due to its ability to dissolve buildup oil residue. Better condition of the skin of the head leads to increased hair production and reduced hair shedding. For the hair, ACV is washed after shampooing in combination with a solution of 1 part vinegar and 2 to 4 parts water. It is recommended that the mixture be allowed to stand for some time before washing it off with water. 7. Sore throat. Relief. Apple cider vinegar can provide relief from sore throats due to its antibacterial properties. The acetic acid in ACV disrupts bacterial life cycles, reducing the severity of throat infections. Its acidic environment may also break down mucus, offering relief from throat irritation and congestion. To use ACV for sore throat relief, dilute 1 tablespoon in a cup of warm water and gargle several times a day. Adding honey can enhance its soothing and antibacterial effects. 8. Reduces acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar may help reduce acid reflux by increasing stomach acidity, prompting the lower esophageal sphincter to tighten, preventing acid from moving into the esophagus and mitigating reflux symptoms. However, it's important to note that while some people experience relief, others may find that ACV exacerbates their symptoms, particularly if they have ulcers or a history of erosive esophagitis. 9. Bone health. Despite its acidity, apple cider vinegar may have an alkalizing effect once metabolized, potentially supporting bone health by balancing the body's pH. This can reduce the body's need to draw calcium from the bones, helping maintain bone density. The acetic acid in ACV enhances the absorption of essential nutrients like calcium, crucial for bone health. 10. Teeth whitening. Apple cider vinegar can be used for teeth whitening by breaking down and dissolving plaque and surface stains. To use ACV for this purpose, dilute it with water, 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water, and swish it around your mouth for about a minute. Rinse thoroughly with water afterward to prevent any potential enamel damage. Use this method sparingly to avoid erosion of tooth enamel. How to add apple cider vinegar to your diet. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet is easy. You can use it in salad dressings, marinades, or homemade mayonnaise. Alternatively, dilute it in water and drink it as a beverage. Standard dosages range from 5 to 30 milliliters per day, mixed in a large glass of water. Who should avoid apple cider vinegar? Individuals with gastrointestinal issues. Those with ulcers, gastritis, or acid reflux may find that ACV exacerbates their symptoms. People with kidney problems. The high acidity of ACV can put additional strain on the kidneys. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. Due to limited evidence, pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare provider before using ACV. People with osteoporosis. Individuals with bone health issues should be cautious as the acidity might affect calcium balance. Thank you so much for joining. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'll see you in the next video.